everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Hamster Kombat account. To delete your Hamster Kombat account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the Telegram application. Make sure you're logged into Telegram and then tap open the Hamster Kombat bot. Once you open up Hamster Kombat and get connected to it, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up the settings interface. Tap on delete account and then confirm that you'd like to delete your account by tapping on the red delete account button. Remember that once you proceed with deletion, all of your data, including the game progress, achievements, and purchases will be permanently deleted and the action cannot be undone. Once you tap on the delete account button, you will be able to delete Hamster Kombat account right away. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.